In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wallpaper Engine wallpapers from Steam. First, make sure the Steam application is installed and up to date on your computer. Open Steam and let it apply any updates so downloads and the store work smoothly. Log into your Steam account. Now we'll purchase and install Wallpaper Engine. In Steam, go to the store, type Wallpaper Engine into the search bar, open the store page, and complete the purchase if you haven't already. When that's done, click Install to add it to your PC, choose the drive if prompted, and confirm. Steam will download the files and add a shortcut to your library and desktop. Launch Wallpaper Engine from your library or the desktop shortcut. On the first run, it may ask for a few preferences. You can leave the defaults and continue. With the app open, head to the Workshop tab. This is where creators share wallpapers. Use the search bar and filters to narrow things down. You can search by keywords and filter by resolution to match your monitor 1080p, 1440p, 4K, or ultra-wide. Plus choose animated styles, static images, or scenes. Sorting by most popular or top-rated can help you find high-quality options, and preview thumbnails give you a quick sense of motion and color. When you find one you like, click it to open the item page, then hit subscribe. Subscribe tells Steam to download that wallpaper to your computer automatically. You'll see it start downloading. If you're curious, you can glance at the downloads section in Steam or watch the status inside Wallpaper Engine. Once the download finishes, switch to the Installed tab in Wallpaper Engine. This area lists everything you've brought in from the workshop. Select the wallpaper you just subscribed to, and click OK to apply it to your desktop. Your background will change immediately. If the wallpaper has sound, you'll hear it now. You can mute or adjust audio from Wallpaper Engine settings later if you prefer a silent desktop. For best results, make sure the wallpaper's resolution matches your display to avoid scaling blur, and consider performance on lower-powered systems by choosing lighter animations. If you have multiple monitors, Wallpaper Engine can apply the wallpaper to a specific screen or all of them from within the same interface. That's it. Thanks for watching.